Imagine making $1,645 in just 72 hours with zero work on your part. Sounds like a dream, right? Yet, it's entirely possible with the right strategy in affiliate marketing, powered by AI. This isn't about chasing trends or getting lost in the sea of content creators. It's about smart moves, leveraging technology, and earning passively. Like all businesses, you need a strategy. A strategy where you earn commissions by promoting others' products without the hassle of inventory or customer service. This method hinges on selecting lucrative products through platforms like ClickBank and CB Engine. But the challenge doesn't stop there. The real hurdle? Creating compelling content that converts viewers into buyers. Enter the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, your ace in cutting down the effort required for content creation. Yet, even with these tools, the question remains, how do you choose the right product in a sea of options? And how do you ensure your content stands out? CB Engine is your secret weapon in the competitive world of affiliate marketing, especially when navigating the vast offerings of ClickBank. It's not just another marketplace, it's a beacon guiding you through the dense fog of products to those with real potential for profit. Unlike the basic sorting of ClickBank, CB Engine delivers real-time data on product performance, offering insights like a product's gravitational pull in the market, which is crucial for assessing both popularity and competition. This unique platform allows you to find products that are not just popular, but also ripe for the taking, with enough appeal to attract sales without being so saturated that standing out becomes an uphill battle. Here's the scoop on making it work. Navigate to CB Engine, and you'll find yourself with tools that can sort products by their gravitational force among affiliates. A high gravity score signals a product's success and popularity. However, the real game changer is identifying those products that strike the perfect balance. High enough gravity to ensure market demand, yet not so high that you're lost in a sea of competition. This nuanced approach to product selection is what sets CB Engine apart. It empowers you to find those hidden gems with the potential to explode in popularity, providing you with an affiliate link in just a few clicks. CB Engine essentially arms you with the foresight to pick winners before they become oversaturated, granting you a competitive edge. By encouraging exploration within its depths and across various niches, it unveils lucrative opportunities that might otherwise remain obscured. This is about strategically positioning yourself at the forefront of market trends and consumer interest, maximizing your earnings with minimal effort in the vast, unpredictable ocean of affiliate marketing. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. When you pick a product from CB Engine or ClickBank, the next step is generating an affiliate link. This unique URL is crucial. It's how the platform tracks the sales you drive and ensures you get your well-deserved commission. But generating the link is just the beginning. The real art lies in using these links wisely. They're not just hyperlinks, they're your ticket to earning. Placing them strategically in your online content, be it videos, blogs, or social media posts, is key to converting viewers into buyers. Getting into Amazon's affiliate program ramps up your game. The application must shout professionalism and potential. Having an online platform with engaging content isn't optional. It's your pitch to Amazon, proving you're worth their partnership. But don't let the excitement cloud your judgment. Compliance with Amazon's rules is your Bible here. Understanding their policies inside out is not about dodging bullets, it's about building a lasting, profitable relationship. Earnings and commission structures in affiliate marketing are as varied as the products themselves. Amazon, with its vast marketplace, offers a spectrum of commission rates, making it pivotal to choose products not just for their appeal, but for their earning potential. It's a balancing act, selecting products that not only resonate with your audience, but also align with your income goals. This section of your journey isn't merely instructional, it's inspirational, showing you the tangible rewards of well-executed affiliate marketing. Your affiliate links are not just connectors between product and consumer. They're the pathways to your passive income dreams, turning the effort of today into the earnings of tomorrow. Imagine funneling a steady stream of viewers directly to your affiliate links without spending a dime on ads. This is where the real potential of affiliate marketing unfolds, especially when promoting digital products. You're not just earning commissions, you're building a passive income stream that works around the clock. YouTube stands as a powerhouse for free traffic, a platform where strategic content placement can lead to exponential affiliate success. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be the next YouTube sensation or even show your face. The modern marketer's secret weapon? Outsourcing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with talented individuals who can bring your video ideas to life, from script writing to final edits, all tailored to highlight the products you're promoting. Choosing the right freelancer is crucial. Look for a blend of quality, affordability, and understanding of affiliate marketing fundamentals. It's about striking a balance that keeps production cost manageable while ensuring your content stands out for its professionalism and appeal. Remember, your goal is to captivate and convert, turning viewers into customers. But creating great content is only half the battle. SEO optimization is your path to visibility. Embedding relevant keywords, crafting compelling titles, and leveraging tags can catapult your videos to the top of search results, directly influencing your affiliate link clicks and conversions. This isn't just about playing the SEO game. It's about mastering it to ensure your content reaches its intended audience. The power of analytics cannot be overstated. YouTube and Amazon provide a wealth of data, offering insights into viewer behavior, engagement levels, and conversion rates. This information is gold, allowing you to tweak and refine your approach, ensuring your content not only resonates with your audience, but also drives them to act. Understanding the intricacies of affiliate marketing goes beyond merely selecting products and generating content. At its core, the success of this venture rests on ethical marketing practices and the unwavering transparency between the marketer and their audience. This commitment to honesty isn't merely a legal obligation to comply with the Federal Trade Commission guidelines. It's a foundational element that builds and sustains viewer trust. Integrating affiliate disclosures in your content shouldn't feel like a begrudging compliance tick box, but a transparent conversation with your audience. It's about letting them know that the links they choose to follow support your content directly, without compromising the genuine value and unbiased nature of the information provided. Transparency doesn't just satisfy a legal requirement. It significantly influences your audience's perception, enhancing their likelihood to engage with your content and follow through on affiliate links. Ethical marketing practices lead to an informed audience that values your honesty, potentially boosting conversion rates. The data backs it up, with numerous studies highlighting that audiences are more inclined to support creators who are upfront about their marketing practices. The long-term relationship you build with your audience through transparent practices fosters loyalty, encouraging repeat visits and sustained engagement. Knowing your audience transcends mere demographics. It's about understanding their interests, challenges, and behaviors. Leveraging analytics tools provides a window into your viewers' world, guiding your content to align more closely with their preferences. Engagement isn't a one-way street, it's an ongoing conversation. Responding to comments, incorporating viewer suggestions into your content, and utilizing interactive elements like polls transform passive viewers into active participants. These techniques don't just keep the audience interested, they make them feel valued, fostering a deeper connection with your content. But how do you elevate this connection into a community? Consistent, meaningful engagement is key. Personalized interactions make viewers feel part of something larger, encouraging loyalty and frequent engagement. This sense of belonging can significantly amplify the reach and impact of your affiliate marketing efforts. Tailoring your content based on gathered insights ensures that every piece you produce hits close to home for your audience. Feedback from your audience is invaluable. It's a direct line to improving your content and refining your strategies, ensuring that your affiliate marketing remains aligned with viewer expectations and preferences. Success in this area can be measured and guided by analytics, providing a clear view of what engages your audience and how to replicate that success. In the fabric of affiliate marketing, we've woven a narrative not just of strategy, but of success, anchored in choosing with insight, promoting with precision, and engaging with integrity. This journey underscores not merely the mechanics of marketing, but the artistry of building a venture that's both profitable and principled. It's about making your territory in the digital expanse, where each step is calculated, each action meaningful. Here, success isn't accidental, it's crafted. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.